Welcome to Automart Direct Cars Doncaster, your friendly, quality used car dealer. We are a small dealership that is happy to go that extra mile for our customers, and we offer some of the most competitive deals on used cars around. We have a great selection of some fantastic used cars, specialising in first-time buyer cars and family cars, which all come direct from well-known dealerships. And with prices ranging from £995 to £5,000, we're confident we have something for everyone, whatever your taste and budget. With over 10 years' experience, we have been established here for 3 years and have built a reputation for excellent customer service, which is reflected in our loyal customers and repeat business. To ensure all our customers drive away with peace of mind, all our vehicles come fully HPI checked with a certificate. We have warranties available from 28 days to 90 days. All cars have a minimum 3 months MOT, and we wash and valet all vehicles. Part exchanges are a pleasure, and we deal with leading finance companies to get finance for everybody. We're open 9 till 5:30 Monday to Saturday and 11 till 4 on Sundays. Appointments aren't necessary unless you want to visit us out of these hours. So don't delay, visit us today.